Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with MyWyoStyle. Remember, God loves you. Today we are going to make the most amazing magic cookies, and they are gluten and sugar-free. Let's get it done. Let's start out with a 1/4 cup of Allulose. This sugar-free substitute is so amazing, along with 1/2 cup of Unsweetened Coconut, 2 teaspoons of Almond Flour, 1/4 cup of sugar-free chocolate chips, a 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. Now stir all these ingredients together. Now add 1 egg or any egg substitute. Two tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now stir all these ingredients together. Now this mixture will be a little bit runny, and we're just going to scoop using a small ice cream scoop onto a silicone mat. And press these cookies down a little. Bake these at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. These cookies are so delicious. The original recipe came out around the 60s, and we know them as 7-layer magic cookie bars, and they were such a hit that I had to try to mimic this recipe. You will absolutely love them. You know me, I gotta try one. Let's look at it. Oh my goodness, look at those chocolate chips in there. And they are so soft and gooey, just like a traditional cookie. Wow, that flavor is incredible. Well, I want to thank you again for watching the video, and as always, may God bless you.